Hi, this is Banodoy Kumar. In this vlog, we are going to discuss about the stock market in India and the and how to invest in the stock market in India and the various channels where the stock market activities are taking place. And in this vlog, our agenda was to discuss about the stock market basis and terminology of the stock market and how to trade in the stock market and the and clearing doubts. Now, uh, what is meant by stock market? Stock market is a place where buyer and seller interacts with each other. Means buying and selling activity of the shares is done. In this in the stock market, there are major stock exchanges in India, which means they take the intermediate between the buyers and sellers, like NSE, which means National Stock Exchange, which it is an highest stock exchange in India, and in terms of the turnover and the number of trades which every day were taking place. Now, BSE means Bombay Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange in the world, which has highest number of listed stocks in it. Next, uh, why to invest in the stock market? Many people have a doubt why to invest in the stock market rather than other investments. Now I am going to discuss why to invest in the stock market. Uh, First one was we need to maximize our returns, which means there were other investments like mutual funds, bonds, which were giving less invest returns than the equity, like stock market. Uh, we need to beat the inflation because by year on year we can see that inflation can increase because the inflation is nothing but the price of the product is rising. Next, we can keep place in the inflation and we can reach our financial goals in the right manner and the right proper time. And the next one was how to invest in the stock market. Many people have a doubt how to invest in the stock market. Now I'm telling, like, there was a broker. A broker is a person or a party which intermediate between a buyer and seller. Stockbroker is a professional player which interact within the buyer and seller. It take care of the investors' funds in the activity of buying and selling. The top brokers in India are the like India Bulls, Angel Broking, Zerodha, Ellis Blue, and something like that. Now I am going to discuss about the index. Index is nothing but the stocks which are listed in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty and Sensex. Like uh, it was calculated by Ascend weights to specific securities. Like they give an weightage in the stock exchange like Nifty and Bank Nifty. Uh, in the Nifty, there were top 50 companies in the stock market. In the stock market, there were more than 5,000 companies listed. They will take only top 50 companies as the index, and they make it as a Nifty. In the bank Nifty, only banking stocks will take traded in it. In the stock market, there were three different types of market regions are there, like bull market, bear market, and stable market. Bull market is nothing but the market is is making the growth in the future. Like the market may increase, and the investors can also make the profit in it, in the market. We can see an example like that. 2002 to 2008 was a bull market. 2008 to 2019 was a bear market. Now we can see from 2022 of future, we can see that bull market was running, and the bear market is nothing but the market is going to decrease, where the investors may lose their investments, and the returns also may decrease, and the mutual funds returns may also decrease. And now we can discuss how does trading terminal look like. In the trading terminal, many investors can trade in the intraday or a delivery. Intraday is nothing but where the investor can invest and sell, buy and sell in the same day. Where the delivery is, uh, they can hold for more than 1 year or more than 1 month. Price. In the stock market, there was only uh, market is running on only the price, which is nothing but last trading price of the stock, or open price, closing price, day high, day low, 52 weeks high, 52 weeks low. These are the terms which every investor should keep keep in mind when they are investing in the stocks. When we discuss about the order and trade. Order is nothing but bits you are putting into terminal. Trade is nothing but bits which are executed. And important terms which for every beginner should know about this, like market price. Market price is nothing but the price which the stock now presently trading in. Limit price is if a investor want to buy a stock at a limited price, they can keep an limit order where the stock can execute at the limit price. And the margin is nothing but brokers give the margin to the investors to invest their stocks, and they collect some interest from them. And the short selling is nothing but where the investors think that suppose suddenly a news came into the market, then investors may sell their positions for. And the stop loss is nothing but it is most important to maximize our risk. Many investors can keep their stop loss. Is it is nothing but we can say reducing the risk. And the next was basis of trading. Basis of trading. Beginners should mainly focus us on the two things, like fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis nothing but analyzing the company's accounts, uh, business probability by using ratios like PE ratio, like profit earn ratio, book value of the PE, and equity per share. And then when coming to technical analysis, there were many technical analysis which presents in the stock market, like indicators, studies, etc. We can analyze the uh, we can analyze the historical price movements on the charts by identifying patterns in the stock prices. Like there are many patterns like Doji, Morningstar, etc. There are many patterns where the investor can invest by using these patterns. Now, now we can say that why an investor or a beginner can why an investor or a beginner should invest in the stock market. Because we can see that uh, I will give you an example of an Ronaldo, Ronaldo Reed. He was a person in America who was died in 2014. He was a person who worked for 25 years as a car washer or a mechanic, and for 15 years he worked for painting services. Now in 2014 he was died, and when the bankers see his account, he had a portfolio of around $80 billion, which we convert into Indian money, which was 56 crores, which and a layman can invest in the penny stocks, and he made around 56 crores, and he gave and the government gave those money to the poor people and orphanages, etc. This is the power of stock market, and we can make the inflation to beat the market, and we can reach our financial goals, and we can invest in our 30s. That's it. Thank you.